Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I am back with another tarot card reading, but today interesting thing is I am going to make the reading on the sign of the Sagittarius. The Sagittarius sign, the zodiac sign, the sun moon rising, whoever you are watching this video. So you will get the messages what is coming up next in your love life for the sign of Sagittarius. If you are a Sagittarius and you want to know what is coming up next in your love life, then you can watch this video. Doesn't matter you are in a contact or no contact situation, or you are a single from a very long time, it doesn't matter. You can watch this video according to your sign as well. So let me remind you once again, this is just a general reading. It may or may not resonate with everyone out there, so you have to be open mind and take what only resonates with you, or just leave the rest messages. And you can ask me for the personal readings as well from my channel. You will get the guidance from there, or you can ask me any question about it, the health, your finance, your career, your marriage, your love, anything it can be. The contact information is in the description box. Just go and check out there the contact information, or you will get the connect with me again. So now let's start with the reading. Before dive into the reading, I'll just remind you, think about your person while I'm shuffling the cards. So can I tap into his energy? And in the last, I'll just try to add some oracle guidance as well, because when you know the truth, when you know the things which is going on in your love life right now, and in the last you want to know what you should do next. So this is just for the oracle guidance, will give you the answer. So just have to be open mind and take the messages. So now let's start with the reading for the sign of Sagittarius. That's coming up next in your love life. First card is Queen of Wands, King of Cups. I do see there's a king and the queen. You both are in a very much into the relationship, but somewhere your person is become unexpressive right now. He's not expressive, he's not express his feeling, but he's taking back a control of his love life. He's taking back the control of his own emotions. He is just sit down, relaxed, and think about twice before taking any decision, or before saying anything in the in your relationship. He's just quiet as well, and become very emotional too, but he doesn't pretend like that, or he doesn't show that he's now become very emotional. And you are sometime working on your stability, you are working very secretive, and you are seems very secretive here, but your behavior, this is what he sees you like this. Queen of Wands card is here. He sees you like this. He sees you the dominating nature from you coming out, and he sees you the things which is very mysterious way. He wants to be with you, but yes, now he is somewhere not able to think that. You have anger issues also. Try to control that anger, try to control that energy that is come out of you, because he is very subtle, he is very controlling nowadays, and now he's become very unexpressive. So you have to control that, because when the things are, whatever the things are in his mind which is bothering him right now, so you have to control it. Don't take it in an offended way, just take it as it is, because the things is shown here in this card. So don't be get offended if you are doing so. And sometimes we people don't know what are we doing, and the third person will come and tell us actually what are we doing, then we'll know the things what is going here. This is what I'm picking up here. King of Pentacles, again the King of Pentacles here. He is very strong personality, he's working on his finances, but somewhere he's become very much stressed out, not able to be in a positive zone and not in a positive vibe as well. He's earning well, he is now become very stable in his finances, but not very positive. I don't see that the positivity here. The Chariot, Temperance. He is working on his career. He is not see the things very much from his heart. He is just only see the things from his mind, and he is thinking about his career a lot, and he is happy because of the friends. The friends are here. Friends are making him happy. Friends are distracting him from the depression or the stress which is um, causing the stress in his life or his love life. And but yes, this is there is a little bit confusion is here. He's not able to see the things. Okay, Two of Cups card is here, but the things will be improved soon, so you have to don't worry about it. Whatever the situation is, only try to control your behavior, only try to change yourself a little bit, and the things will be turned in your favor soon. Mark my words, things are going to be turned in your favor soon. Only you have to do is change your behavior or the way you express yourself. Don't try to push him, because I do pick up here uh, because of you, or somewhere your secretive your secrets. If there is no secrets, you know it very well, but he is thinking like that there is a secret, and because of that he's kind of pushing away himself. So don't do that, because the Two of Cups card is here. There is a emotional bond, there is a emotional bond, there is a love, there is a care from him, from his side. He do love you a lot, so just give him a time, give him a time and the space, so that he can come towards you again. And if you do so, if you follow my guidance, you will get whatever you are desire for in your love life right now, because the things are not very much in a negative situation. Easily you can easily change the things in your favor now. Now let me take out some oracle guidance for the sign of Sagittarius. Remain positive. Yes, you lose hope in this situation. You have to be remain positive, think positive, try to be think positive in a positive manner. Everything will be sorted out soon, everything will be sorted out soon. And you have to be think, because the Wheel of Fortune card is here, the things will turn in your favor. Big happy changes ahead, the things are turned in your favor. There is a big happy changes ahead. Thinking about him obsessively will push him automatically. So just try to give him a space and the time. Things will back into the on track for sure, because there is a few things are here which is not good for you, both of you, because he is now make himself is a very workaholic. He is not thinking at all, he is just focus on his work and his career and his growth. And now he is emotionally stable too, because now he is very much balanced. He is just taking back his control of his emotions. So you have to earn him back, because there is a situation where you are if you are thinking obsessively, if you are calling or text him just constantly, then the things will push away. So you have to stop that way, choose the new direction, try it in a new way, and you will attract him back for sure. Definitely, for sure, the things will going to be positive in the meantime. So this is what coming up for the love life, in your love life in the next coming days. So this is for the sign of Sagittarius. I hope you like this reading. I hope you like my channel. For this is it for today, and for the next video, till then stay tuned. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.